everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today we'll be using our student book and our workbook, so make sure you follow along. Now, let's open our student book. Today we will do Unit 6 homework, dinosaur. In this unit, we learn different words like add up to, 합이 뭐뭐가 되다, clay, 점토, dinosaur, 공룡, flat, 납작한, form, 만들다, fossil, 화석, frill, 목둘레 장식 또는 목주름, horned, 뿔이 있는, model, 모형, remove, 떼다 또는 치우다, rhinoceros, 코뿔소, squeeze, 꽉 쥐다 또는 짜다, stick up, 튀어나오다 또는 삐죽 나오다, and thick, 두꺼운. On page 39, we will do topic 1, making a fossil. We need to listen and choose the correct answer. In number 1, we need to put the sentences in the correct order to make a fossil. 만드는 방법을 순서 맞게 옮겨야 돼요. Number 2, what does it refer to in the conversation? 이 문장 또는 그 대화에서 it가 뭐에 대한 것인지 선택하면 돼요. And number 3, we need to check true or false. The students are making real fossils. The students have a baseball now. Miss Brown teaches the students how to make fossils. Let's listen.
Listen up, class. Today, we will make a fossil of a dinosaur.
Miss Brown, I thought fossils took millions of years to form.
You are right, Logan.
How can we make a fossil in class then?
We will make pretend fossils, but they will look like real fossils.
I want my fossil to be of a T-Rex.
I want my fossil to be of a stegosaurus.
Please pick from this pile of toy dinosaurs. First, I will give you a piece of modeling clay.
I love modeling clay. It is so much fun to squeeze in my hands.
Now, we need to make our clay into a ball.
It could be a baseball, but it would stick to the bat.
Press your ball onto the table until it is flat. It should look like a thick coin.
Now, do we press our dinosaurs into the clay?
Yes, press your dinosaurs into the clay and then remove them.
That is so cool.
Well done! You just made a fossil.
To make a fossil, you need to A. Get some modeling clay, C. Make the clay into a ball, D. Press the ball onto the table until it is flat. 납작하게 만들기 위해서 상에다가 이렇게 훅 눌러야 돼. And then we need to press the dinosaur into the clay. Then remove or take out the dinosaur. When the girl says, "It is so fun to squeeze it in my hands," she is talking about the modeling clay. In number 3, the students are making real fossils. This is false. They're making pretend fossils. The students have a baseball now. That's not true. They have modeling clay that is like a ball. Miss Brown teaches the students how to make fossils. This is true. Great job. 방금 들은 내용을 한번 써보자. It's dictation time. Let's go back to the workbook. On page 36, we will do topic 1 dictation. Miss Brown says, "Listen up, class." 자, 다들 집중해 주세요. Today, we will make a fossil of a dinosaur. Logan says, "Miss Brown, I thought fossils took millions of years to form." 화석은 아주 오래 걸려서 만들어지는 거 아니에요? Miss Brown says, "You are right, Logan." 맞아. Jill says, "How can we make a fossil in class then?" 그럼 수업 시간 안에 어떻게 만들어요? Miss Brown says, "We will make pretend fossil, but they will look like real fossils." 가짜로 만들 건데 진짜처럼 보일 거야. Logan says, I want my fossil to be of a T-Rex. Jill says, I want my fossils to be a Stegosaurus. Miss Brown says, please pick from this pile of toy dinosaurs. 판에 요렇게 생긴 인형들이 있었어. 여러 개. There was a pile. 그럼 여기 다 이렇게 모아 있었어. 선생님이 하나씩 뽑아서 다시 앉아주세요 라고 했어. First, I will give you a piece of modeling clay. 찰흙 또는 점토. Jill says, I love modeling clay. It is so much fun to squeeze in my hands. Miss Brown says, now we need to make our clay into a ball. Logan says, it could be a baseball. 동그랗게 만들었는데 로겐이 이 모양이 베이스볼 될 수도 있는데 but it would stick to the bat. 다만 이게 흙으로 만들었으니까 진짜 한번 쳐보면 여기에 붙겠지? Miss Brown says, press your ball onto the table until it is flat. 여기가 상이면 동그라미를 여기다가 눌러서 납작하게 만들라고 하는 거야. It should look like a thick coin. 두꺼운 잔돈처럼 생길 거야. Logan says, now do we press our dinosaurs into the clay? Miss Brown says, yes. Press your dinosaurs into the clay and then remove them. 여기에서 뽑은 인형을 플라스틱으로 만들어 있었겠지? 여기다가 놓고 한번 누르고 나서 다시 빼는 거야. Jill says that is so cool. Miss Brown says, well done. 잘했어요. You just made a fossil. Great job. Let's go back to the student book. On page 40, we will do topic 2, Pentaceratops. We need to listen and choose the correct answer. Choose the correct picture for the Pentaceratops. Pentaceratops가 어떻게 생겼는지 선택하면 되고, in number 2, where does this talk take place? 이 대화는 어디서 하는지 선택하면 돼. For number 3, we need to check all the correct sentences about both the Pentaceratops and the rhinoceros. Let's listen.
Good morning, children. I am excited that you have come to the museum today. We have a new dinosaur model for you. It just arrived yesterday. Our new dinosaur model is a Pentaceratops. Pentaceratops means 5-horned face. Please look at our model. You will see 2 horns above its eyes. Also, there is 1 horn on its nose. And last, it has 2 horns sticking out from its cheeks. These horns add up to the 5-horn face. You also see a huge bone frill. It sticks up behind the head. Pentaceratops was a lot like the rhinoceros. It had a large body and 4 thick legs. It also ate plants, like the rhinoceros, but the Pentaceratops was much bigger than the rhinoceros. Pentaceratops could grow up to 8 meters long. It is a very interesting dinosaur. Pentaceratops could grow up to 8 meters long. It is a very interesting dinosaur.
The correct picture of the Pentaceratops is letter B. Penta means 5. It has 5 horns. 2 here, 2 on the sides, and 1 on its nose. This talk is taking place in a museum. The Pentaceratops and rhinoceros both have 4 thick legs. They eat plants, and they can grow up to 8 meters long. Great job! Topic 2도 한번 써볼까? Let's go back to the workbook to write Topic 2 dictation. On page 38, we will do Topic 2 dictation. The museum guide says, good morning, children. I am excited that you have come to the museum today. We have a new dinosaur model for you. It just arrived yesterday. Our new dinosaur model is a Pentaceratops. Pentaceratops means 5-horned face. Please look at our model. You will see 2 horns above, 위에, its eyes. Also, there is one horn on its nose. And last, it has 2 horns sticking out from its cheeks. These horns add up to the 5-horned face. 눈이 여기 있다면 여기 하나, 여기 하나. 코가 여기 있다면 여기도 하나. cheeks가 여기 있다면 여기도 하나, 여기도 하나. 그럼 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They add up to 5 horns. You also see a huge bone frill. 그리고 여기 굉장히 큰 bone frill 있죠? It sticks up behind, 뒤에, the head. Pentaceratops was a lot like the rhinoceros. It had a large body and 4 thick legs. 몸이 크고 두꺼운 다리 4개 있었어. It also ate plants like the rhinoceros. 코뿔소처럼 식물들을 먹었어. But the Pentaceratops was much bigger than the rhinoceros. 다만 Pentaceratops는 rhino보다 훨씬 더 컸대. Pentaceratops could grow up to 8 meters long. It is a very interesting dinosaur. Great job.
We're almost done. Only the unit test is left. Let's work on the student book.
On page 42, we will do the unit test. For number 1 and 2, we need to listen and choose the best statement for each picture. 사진을 보고 문장들 중에서 제일 잘 맞는 문장을 선택하면 돼. Let's listen.
A. The girl is mixing colors.
B.
The girl is cutting paper.
C.
The girl is making something with clay.
D.
The girl is pressing coins.
Our answer is letter C. The girl is making something with clay. Number 2.
A.
There is a piece of modeling clay.
B.
There is a goldfish.
C.
There is a fossil of a fish.
D.
There is a fossil of a dinosaur.
Our answer is letter C. There is a fossil of a fish. For number 3 and 4, we need to listen and choose the best response. Let's listen to number 3.
It's so huge. What is it?
It's a model of a stegosaurus. A real stegosaurus was much bigger than this.
How big was the stegosaurus?
How big? 그럼 얼마나 큰지 이야기가 답변이죠? It was very small. It ate plants. It grew up to 12 meters long. It was 30 years old. 굉장히 컸어라고 했잖아. It was very small는 말이 안 되지? Our answer is letter C. It grew up to 최대 12 meters long. Wow. Let's listen to number 4.
What are you doing?
I'm making a fossil of a dinosaur.
But fossils took millions of years to form.
근데 시간이 오래 걸리잖아. What is our answer? No, it took only 10,000 years. I'm making a model of a fossil. 아, 그냥 가짜 거 만들고 있어. For number 5 and 6, we need to listen and choose the correct answer to each question. Number 5. What are the speakers talking about? Are they talking about a rhinoceros, an elephant, Pentaceratops, or a giraffe? Let's listen.
Number 5.
Look at this dinosaur. What's its name?
It's a Pentaceratops.
It looks like a rhinoceros.
It had 5 horns on its face. That's why it's called the Pentaceratops.
On page 43, we will do number 6. What are the speakers going to do? Let's listen.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
What movie do you want to watch?
How about Jurassic Park? It's a movie about dinosaurs that became alive today.
That sounds interesting. I'll go with you.
They're going to watch a movie. For number 7 and 8, we need to listen and choose the correct answers. Number 7. Why does the girl not want to go to the museum? 박물관을 왜 안 가고 싶은 이유를 선택해야 되고, for number 8, which of the following is not true? Let's listen.
The museum has a new dinosaur model. Why don't we go see it?
I'm not interested in dinosaurs.
Oh, come on.
Actually, I'm afraid of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs attacked and killed people.
You don't need to be afraid. Dinosaurs are not alive anymore. Besides, many dinosaurs were plant eaters. They didn't eat people.
The girl does not want to go because she is afraid of dinosaurs. In number 8, the girl knows a lot about dinosaurs. This is not true. Our answer is letter C. For numbers 9 and 10, we need to listen and choose the correct answers. Number 9, what are the oldest living organisms on Earth? Organisms are 생물들, 살아있는 것들. 제일 오랫동안 살아왔던 생물은 선택하면 되고, which of the following is possible because of fossils? Fossils 덕분에 뭐를 할 수 있는지 선택하면 돼. Let's listen.
Today, we will learn about fossils. Thanks to fossils, we can draw pictures of living things from millions of years ago. Here, you see a fossil of bacteria. Bacteria are the oldest living organisms on Earth. Of course, the most interesting fossils are of dinosaurs. As you may know, dinosaurs don't exist anymore. However, we can make dinosaur models which look like real dinosaurs based on fossils.
Oldest living organism is bacteria. 세균이죠. For number 10, because there are fossils, we can make dinosaur models. Great job. Let's play our review game. Question number 1. What is the word? Dinosaur. Great job. Yes! Question number 2. What is the word? 오, 굉장히 납작하네. Flat. Nice. And our last question. What is the word? Rhinoceros. 3 for 3. Great job today.
You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!